weekend, YouTubers. It's Brian Paragaming, senior trader and co-founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. I'm going to try and make this as quick as possible. July 10th was the last time I did a video update here. I apologize, but been extremely busy taking care of our members. If you watch that video, I was very bearish that morning of July 10th, which is a Friday. S&P futures were down 7 points. I said 845 was baked in the cake, but guess what? If you're a member of ours, you'd have known and you'd have seen on our live webcast that we turned 360 that morning, got out of some bearish positions, took profits on the SDS and SRS, banked really nice profits on those, got long CECO per that video at 20.5, then a few days later at 21, sold out at 23, 8 days later for a 2.25 point profit on the average position from 20.5, 21, 20.75 average position, all at 23. That's the 2.25 points that we made. We also got long the ERX. Now I know, you might say, hey, how do I really know you did all this? Great question. Well, if you become a member or if you simply take advantage of our 3-day free trial, you'll see all those trades posted. We can't change them. Our members go every day to the website. They take a look at that page just like you will. You'll have full access to the website, so you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Trust me. Sign up for the 3-day free trial. I know you're going to be impressed with our swing trade record. I know you're going to be impressed with our technical analysis day trading video that we update nightly. And I know most importantly you're going to be impressed with the daily live webcast that we bring to you every day for the first 3.5 hours of trading. Just go to our website. Take advantage of the 3-day free trial. No credit cards, no nothing. Absolutely free 3-day trial. 2 ideas I want to bring to you here. Freeport-McMoRan looks a little toppy up in here. I wouldn't just simply go out and short it. You got to wait for the right kind of setup before you just go short something. I'm not telling you just to go in there and short it, but it's an idea that I think you got to really start looking at playing from the short side. And one other idea that looks interesting on the long side is State Street Corp. Ticker symbol SAMTOM, STT. Looks like it's getting ready to break out about the 49.25, 49.5 level. So I think that looks intriguing from the long side. Just one other thing. Moline Corp, MOD, a stock right here in my own backyard. We bought at $4.96. A week and a half, 2 weeks later, we sold at $6.40 for a $1.44 profit. So if you're looking for these types of trades, more expensive stocks, lower price stocks, go to our site, as I said, take advantage of the 3-day free trial. You've got nothing to lose but time and money. I don't really have anything else to add other than I do believe we have broken this market out to the upside. We had a huge volume day and a huge breadth day up to down on both volume and breadth here last Thursday. So I think you have to be looking to be a buyer of all dips. Just like on Friday, we were down 70 points early in the day. We ended up closing up 23 on the day. So for the time being, I think all dips got to be bought with an upside objective of around 1,000 or 1,007 on the S&P cash. Once we get up into that zone, you have to kind of rethink things. But again, remember, while I might have that little bit of bullish stance here, I still remain very cautious and optimistic. But more importantly, remember, trade the tape. The tape still suggests higher prices, so don't let your own personal thought get in the way of what the tape action tells you. That's one thing we don't do here. That's why that Friday morning, July 10th, we turned from bearish to bullish, because the tape action told us to. If you want to learn how to identify this here, and you want to learn technical analysis, and you want to learn how to trade and be a professional trader as I've been for the last 26 years, go to our site, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial. It'll be the best thing you've done in your life, I promise you. Have yourselves a great, enjoyable evening, and we'll try and be back a little bit more this week with some commentary. Have yourselves a safe trading week.